I would be happy if President Obama reiterates his full support for business to be transacted between America and Africa, to encourage and support American business people who want to invest in Africa, and to urge and support Americans who are coming to invest in big projects that require a lot of capital, so that the American businesses that come know that they have the full backing of their government. But let me also say, we would like to see more trade. There is a lot that can be traded in between America and Africa.
What would Americans want to buy that Uganda makes?
We have a lot of agricultural products. America can come and invest in processing industries, so that these Americans can then export the products to the United States of America.
What are the opportunities for America in Uganda?
Numerous opportunities, especially in trade and investment. And in terms of investments, we have a lot of infrastructural projects. We have agro-processing businesses and industries. We have servicing industries. We have business related to information technology. So the opportunities are numerous, and I call on the American people to take advantage of this.
You've gotten a lot of investment from China in recent years. Can you talk about how that has helped the country and how you perceive China versus the U.S. as an investor?
China has performed well in investing in the priority areas where Uganda and Africa needs investment. And this has been mainly in infrastructure areas, especially roads, railways, airports, and power. We would like to see the American business people come and invest in similar areas.
Now, how is Uganda paying for these projects from China?
Uganda, these are soft loans, which Uganda and other African countries have been looking for quite some time, and we are glad that China has positively responded. We would like to see the American business community, American government, equally respond in the same manner.
Now, if I could talk a little bit about your economy. The Uganda shilling is down quite a bit this year. It was down last year. You've had pretty strong growth, but you've also had high inflation. Can you talk about what's going on with the economy and what we should look for in the next year or so?
Well, it's true that the economy has been badly affected by some of the environmental issues in the region, especially the conflict in South Sudan, because South Sudan has been a strong trading partner for Uganda, and we expect that now that the conflict is more or less coming to an end, that situation of South Sudan remaining a trading partner, a strong one, will emerge. And we think that will contribute to the Uganda shilling becoming stronger. Yes, and our exports are also building up, and we think that that will also help the Uganda shilling.
There's been a lot of violence in neighboring Burundi, especially around the election. You have an election coming up next year. Is there any reason that people should worry about that the election in Uganda will not be peaceful?
There is no cause at all to worry. We have held several elections in Uganda which have been peaceful. The elections in February will be peaceful.